The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class Maybach is the ultimate expression of luxury and sophistication. From the moment you see it, the commanding grille, sleek LED headlights, and long, elegant body make it clear this isn't just any sedan, it's a statement. The extended wheelbase isn't just for looks. It gives the rear passengers an executive-class experience that few cars can match. Step inside, and you're surrounded by craftsmanship at every turn. Hand-stitched leather seats, rich wood accents, and customizable ambient lighting create a cabin that feels both modern and timeless. The rear seats are designed for ultimate comfort, offering recline, massage, and heating or cooling options. With features like a built-in fridge, starlight headliner, and massive OLED screens, every ride feels first class. Under the hood, the Maybach offers two powerhouses. The S584 Matic comes with a 4-liter twin-turbo V8, delivering nearly 500 horsepower, while the S684 Matic boasts a handcrafted V12, producing over 620 horsepower. Despite its size, the car accelerates effortlessly. Thanks to 4 Matic all-wheel drive and advanced air suspension that make every drive smooth and serene. Technology is equally impressive. From advanced driver assists, night vision, and laser headlights, to a Burmester audio system that turns the cabin into a concert hall, every detail is about comfort, safety, and elegance. The Maybach makes both drivers and passengers feel special, blending performance with pure luxury. In short, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class Maybach is more than a car. It's an experience. It combines refined power, cutting-edge tech, and unmatched comfort into a sedan that sets the standard for what luxury truly means. Whether you're driving or being driven, every moment inside the Maybach is a statement of style, elegance, and prestige.